In this video, the assembly process of the DPA 4073 tandem gear pump will be demonstrated. First, the interior of the housing is cleaned with compressed air. The black seal is lubricated with grease. The lower seal is placed into the housing with the help of a press. The front face of the seal should be positioned inside the housing. A picture can be added to the video to indicate this. On top of the seal, a washer and an internal snap ring are placed in sequence. The pressure plates are first greased and then fitted with the M-ring and teflon. The pressure plates are positioned according to the pump's rotational direction since the gear locations cannot be changed. This pump is being assembled for right-hand rotation. Next, the long gear and the upper pressure plate are installed. The adapter shaft is mounted onto the cover using a hydraulic press. The black and brown seals are lubricated with grease. The black seal is pressed into place with the front face inward using appropriate tools. Next, the washer and internal snap ring are installed. While installing the internal snap ring, ensure the gap in the ring aligns with the oil warning hole. This can be indicated with a blinking arrow in the video. Then, the brown seal is pressed in place using a tool. The set screws on the single rotation pump covers should always align with the pressure line. The set screw on the cover is tightened with an Allen key. The O-ring on the cover is greased and placed in its groove. The cover is carefully assembled onto the previously prepared housing, ensuring the shown empty hole aligns with the suction side. The cover and housing are fastened together with 8 M10 bolts. The tightness of the adapter shaft is checked by turning it. The necessary studs for connecting the triangular pump to the tandem pump are installed. A 6x6 coupling and gasket are placed between the tandem pump and the triangular connection pump, then secured with nuts. Thank you for watching.